have taken apart our fort. Excuse me. Wow. Use your muscles. Sorry, this fort is no longer needed. Smash it around the room. Smash. Smash like the Hulk. Smash like the Hulk. Smash like the Hulk. It's fire. Help. Help. It's on fire. It's on fire. La. It's going everywhere. I'm on fire. It's fire. Oh, my house. What is happening? My house. My house. Roar. My house. What happened? Oh, good thing we got that. We still have a fort to build. Alright. And ready, set. Captain in your pants. Dad, have you seen the Captain Underpants movie?
Yeah.
Well, I just said, boo, Captain Underpants. I'm on my YouTube video, and it's still going. But see, it's facing me. Oh, camera. Oh, excuse me.